Okay, now it's recording. Okay, got my trusted cameraman Keegan behind the camera here. We got our two packages.
Hi.
We've got our two packages over here on the ground and some sugar water. And we've got the hives already prepped. Got the frames taken out already. So we're good to go there. So first let's get these guys sprayed with some sugar water. Now it's pretty cold here right now, so we don't have to spray with a lot, just enough to keep them flying. And that looks pretty good. Alright, let's see if we can get this cleaned out. Oh, you know, I should try and knock some of those bees down first. Off the camera so I don't hurt it. So one strong tap. And give them another little spray, the ones on top that we didn't get. Okay. Kind of hard to grab a hold of with gloves on. We'll get it eventually. There we go. Alright. So we got that out of there. Alright. Then we just shake them out. Get the queen out here. Put her in my pocket. So that's one. Take the queen.
Where's the marshmallow?
We are not going to do a marshmallow. These bees have not been together long enough. So they have not had a chance to be with their queen long enough. So
We've already done this for 5 minutes.
cool. So we're going to gently put these back in. Like so. Then we'll hang the queen like this. And they will all flock to her. Okay. Got a few on me here. So I'll try and get those in.
Dad, you got some on your head and your other shoulder.
No. They'll all get in eventually.
Do you got any on me?
Just a couple.
Don't going behind me.
This bee brush is not working very good. Okay. Alright. So we will put the top back on.
You just smashed one.
Alright. We'll put this feeder can right here. No sense wasting that. Put this on. Then we'll finally put the lid on here. This is where our jar feeder will go eventually. So we're using a top feeder that uses these set mason jars with holes in the lid. 4 of these inside this box here. And there you have it. Okay.